What if you have it respond with the name of the card instead of the ID? Might be worth to pass the hands with rank so it knows which is better. But I'm saying, like, it thinks that it's making 2 pair, but it's not. Like, it's just literally not making it. Right? It says, right. So this is the problem right now. Okay. Ace of diamonds, king of hearts, 10 of hearts, 8 of spades, 8 of clubs, 3 of, right? So it should probably pick this. Okay. This is a pretty reasonable pick for it to take. Okay. But when we look at these, this is ace of diamonds. So it says it's going to pick ace of diamonds. And second, I said, if we play now, what should we do? What should we do now if we play the perfect hand? Yeah, but we're going to need it to do more because it's going to need to know each of these at some point. What if you have it respond with the name of the card instead of the ID? The problem is we're going to have cards that are duplicated later, and I don't know if that will mess it up. Because it's going to have like 2 kings of diamonds. So there's a bunch of stuff about the game we're going to need to encode later. That's more than just take a picture, play the thing. We're going to need to encode our current level that we have. We're going to need... So, like, we need to provide it more context, right? So it thinks it's playing 2 pair. It says right here, name, 2 pair, cards, and it says ace of diamonds. So this is what it says. It says ace of diamonds, 340 is king of hearts, 9971 is 8 of clubs, then 10232 is 8 of spades, and then 10349 is this. That's just not 2 pair, chat. That's a problem. You know what I'm saying? That's a problem. So it's not even saying to play the 10 of hearts. Probably stuff like steal ace of diamonds, something like later, but playing ace of hearts over. The ID would still be the same if you have multiple of the same card. No, they'll be different ones. Because they're different cards. They'll have the same rank and suit, but it's not the same thing. Because you can do tons of stuff. Using same erase for all steps, like, is picking 2 pair of them properly and then set different stuff. Well, it's just literally like I'm sending it the hand here, right? And then I'm saying pick the best hand, right? We should also mention some hands that are valid but not poker is possible with this great hand. Here are some examples. Try with the rule book. Yeah. So let's go back to this. Let's see if we can get this pasted in here in some reasonable way, right? So let's go roguelike. That part we don't include poker. Poker really help you with this game. How scoring works. Okay. So we take this, we put this here. Guys, this is AI smart enough to take my job. Surely it can figure out what to do, right? That's what I'm going to do, basically, but I don't want to just... You didn't have a job. Okay, you've got a point. I don't want to paste in the images, right? Yeah, so it's like cards you play. True. Can we do that? Can we just provide this as a link for it to... I mean, we could just try pasting all this in. Oh, here we go. Poker hands. This is better. Here we go. We can probably get rid of then these. All right, we'll just try it with this and see if that's any better. Then I just need to make sure that I haven't bankrupted myself in Oh yeah, we're good. We're so good. 10 178. 10 178 ace of diamonds. 3480 king of diamonds. So it's still just playing one pair. Like I just here we'll do a glossary here too. Cuz this is probably helpful as well. I guess, do we even know for sure it's getting these as a system prompt? What are the chances that we've scuffed this and we're not putting this in as the system prompt? I don't know. Does the tool even listen to the system prompt? Nine 971, 8 of clubs, 10 2 3 2, which is 8 of spades, 10 3 5 8, 3 of hearts, 10 1 9 6, 3 of spades, 10 1 9 6 is 3 of spades, 10 1 78 is our ace. I think it's going forward to specify notation. Queen of hearts is token. Oh, interesting, Simon. That's an interesting point. Yeah. Okay, so that's weird because now maybe we need to let it know you have a larger. You can have a larger hand than 5 cards. So maybe we should just remove every reference to poker. Something like this. Maybe we just forget the whole idea of poker at all, right? Pair of threes. That's definitely not the best hand we can do, though. Like, it's not the best hand we can do. Maybe we can say hand here. Yeah, but they deviate from that very quickly. Following cards in hand with the format ID name. It's okay that you have more, that you may have more than 5 cards. That is expected in Balatro. Two pair. 971, 8 of clubs, 10 2 3 2. That's the 8 of spades. That's good. 10 35 8. Maybe that was the problem, chat. Maybe that was the problem. Every request is considered a new conversation. Yeah. Yeah. They're all completely separate. So we have to like build up all the context inside of here, and then we would do it. So, okay, that's actually kind of good. So it's like, okay, so we play 2 pair here, and it says to do this. Okay. Right. So now we can ask it again. And it says 4 of a kind. Interesting. Ten, 1, 2, 4, ace of clubs. Okay, 10, 1, 78, ace of diamonds. It's play the same cards twice, you idiots. What have you been thinking this whole time? Just play the same cards. Play 4 of a kind. 10 1 2 4 10 1 2 4 10. Oh no, wait, no, it did pick different ones. Oh, sorry. I just had dyslexia moment and I didn't read it right. Okay. No, it's fine. It didn't pick the same ones. But it did say play 4 of a kind, and there's only 2 of anything. So that seems, well, not smart, chat. Not smart. Okay, it actually didn't pick it. That was just me skill issuing. But it says to play these. Okay, that is not a 4 of a kind. All right? Nice, we'll buy that for sure. But can you find the R in silhouette? Great question. Great question. 2 of a kind plus 2 of a kind is 4 of a kind. 3 of a kind. How is this possible? 10, 169, 10, 115, 10, 133. Okay, Jack. Okay, so we need to make it clear then, I guess. We should add this as well. Gameplay notes. Okay. Cards are only considered the same if they are the same number, rank, and suit. A 10 of clubs is not the same as a jack of clubs. Okay, but you're also saying maybe, I do think you're probably right. We should go back and maybe we make it so that let's go back to where we make the hand description. I like links. Yeah, if you send a link. Maybe the hand description, instead of doing this, we should just go, like, instead of doing base.name, we should do, he doesn't read. I did read. Oh, nice. We can try that. We can try that, Nix. It's a lot of tokens. Who cares? Who cares, guys? So far, I've spent 5 cents, I think, today. 10 cents. I spent 10 cents today. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here. And let's say rulebook.lua. Yes. Return. Like this. Okay. So this way we can just get rulebook going. Okay. How did we load these up before? Balatro, Tej. So we can just go like this. So we'll put this inside of here. And we'll load this up, right? So we've got rulebook.lua. Local rulebook is this, right? And then we can just drop this in here. String.format, this. And then we'll just put right here. And we'll go all the way down to the bottom here. And we'll put in %s. And we'll say rulebook like this. Right now, using my test code. I write the test. I'm feeling very stupid. What? Cards are only considered the same rank and suits. Cards.config.card key. See if you're getting the playing cards.card key. Cards.config is less. Then it's less tokeny. Okay. Eval. G.hand.cards1.card key. No. What am I looking for? Oh, .config. Oh, nice. Card key. Heart jack. Ooh, yep. Okay. Balatro hand. I think we don't even need this at all. Here is a brief description of the rules. We can go rules. Right? So like this. Okay, and then we'll say cards are described in a format like H, J, or let's try another one. Key, and let's go like cards 3.config.card key. D diamonds 10. Oh boy, that's tougher actually. That's probably not good, right? It's brief for an LLM. I don't know if this one's good. I feel like DT is not that good. You know what I'm saying? Oops. Oh, but T is the only, all the other ones. You have key available and matching in value. Okay, so all the other ones, T. Okay, that makes sense because all the other ones are. Okay, so we'll say this. We can say this. HJ. Heart is Jack of Hearts. Whoops. DT is 10 of Diamonds. What is spades versus spades, clubs? Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. S8. Wait, is it S8 or what was it? What was it? It is S8. 8 of spades. I took the content of the rulebook and summarized with the O1 preview. Ooh, nice. Thought for 31 seconds. I've been thinking for a lot longer than that today. How do I copy pasta this? Where is my little copy button? Whatever. We can also try this as another option for rulebook. We'll get there. Okay, so now instead of doing name, wherever we had before, we'll say card dot config dot card key. Okay, we'll try this now. Oh, it's got a little more tokens now. Got a little more tokens, eh? 2 pair. 10-1-6-9 heart of jacks. 10-1-1-5 diamond jacks. 10-1-1-3 diamond 10. 10-2-3-2 S8. Wonderful. You're still an idiot. Look at the COT section. Chain of thought. My GPT-4o understands watching you. I'll actually all the standard card scores. Yeah. I mean, I don't think that that's the problem. Something is getting lost along the way, I feel like. You know what I mean? Choose the cards to play. Do I write a longer description? Should I be writing a longer description? Best practices for tool definitions. Provide extremely deep. This is my full support. Okay. Okay, so let's choose the cards to play based on the rules of Balatro, right? Ensure to match exactly the ID of the card with the IDs returned in cards. Do not include any unnecessary cards that do not score points. Only include the very best hand. You must select 5 or less cards. I don't know, something like this. I have no idea. I'm gonna blame Nyx if it's just because like this one was stupid here. 2 pair. So 2 pair, but it selects 3 cards. 2 pair, but it selects 3 cards. Okay, yeah, so I'm following so far. Because that seems pretty smart. Selected 3 cards, not 4. Right, it said 2. It said it's going to play. It's going to play that. Three of a kind. 10-1-6-9. 10-1-1-5. 10-1-3-3. I explicitly said they're not the same. Play with temperature a bit? Okay, sure. I explicitly said J and T is not the same. Like, Oh my goodness. It's not reusing cards. It's just not reusing cards. If for some reason it wants to play a 10 like it's a jack, even though I explicitly said growing if they are the same rank and suit, a 10 of clubs is not the same as a jack of clubs. Like Are declaring what is rank and what is suit. I literally do. Cards are described Jack of Hearts. So suit equals hearts, rank is Jack. So I'm just going to delete this. I'm just going to delete this for a second. And let's see what happens here. Three of a kind jacks. D, I specifically tell it. 10, 1 through 3. DT is a 10. Description. Okay, sure. The ID and name of the cards to play. Or, more broadly speaking, suit value. Suit rank. Use face cards for higher. Specify they cannot be used in conjunction with face cards for higher value pairs. I don't understand. I'm literally telling it DT is not. I explicitly tell it DT is 10 of diamonds. So suit is 10. We can say rank is 10, 8. We can switch it back to doing the other way. It's called rank. It's literally called rank. Oh my goodness, guys. Come on. Is it not reloading? Maybe I just restart this. Let's just restart completely. Just in case there's something scuffed with how it loaded. Guys, this thing was trained. It knows how to play games. Like, I should not have to explain that K could stand for king. I already gave it 2 examples. A card is the same, only the same. Cards are only considered if they are the same rank and suit. Well, maybe we should say, note, a 10 of clubs is not the same, even though it is worth the same amount of points. They cannot be used together in a pair. I don't know. Okay. 3 of a kind faces. Three of a kind faces. The best part is there's not 3 face cards. T is not the same. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to not doing this. I think this is getting it confused. What did we have before? We had eval game g.hand.cards 1.name base.name Jack of Hearts. I think we go back to name. Wonder if it's being stupid in DT with the T belonging to the face since DJ is another example. Yeah, I'm just gonna switch it back to being base.name. Delete everything. Just has to play the best name with current hand in game Balatro. We tried that at the beginning and it did not know what it was doing. Card dot base dot name. Here's a common notation for representing cards in poker. Okay. Formats. So this was, shoot, what was this? This was card. Shoot, I forgot what we had here. Where did we put this again? Card config key. Yeah. What we'll do, pair of jacks. I mean, that's true. That's a good hand. But 2 pair is better, it turns out. It's like, why would it not pick two pair here? Right? Pair of jacks. Here's this and this. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 1. This is good. So that's good. We stopped playing triples. Okay, that of cards that aren't the same. But then the question is, why didn't we play 2 pair? Okay, maybe we should put the rule book back in. Should we put the rule book back in? We'll give it a rule book. Example is rank suits. One for the rank, one for the suit. True. Good point. Good point. One for the suit, one for the rank. Here's the widely used format. Rank represented by suit corresponding here, blah, blah, blah. Suit represented by single letters. Examples. SA, HT, D7. Okay. Pair of jacks. So, I mean, this probably is enough because we have this right now. But why would we not play 2 pair? If you have to, what if you have it write a field reasoning before card so it can COT a bit? Yeah, we can try that. Yeah, okay. So I don't know exactly how to do that. So that goes into the tool part. Do I give it a field called reasoning? Do I say like this? Reasoning. That's the train of thought. Yes, I know, Nix, that you were saying that I can do this. Content. When using Cloud Watch for chain of thought step by step, we'll do this if tool choice set to auto and Sana and Haiku. For example, what time is there? Cloud might respond. Thinking to answer this question, I will use get weather. But I don't think this will do it. Sure, we'll just try. We pasted in the whole Balatro rulebook. Common Rex user are especially with those that benefit from face cards, which include this. It wouldn't activate any higher score reports, which reduces Ice Cream Joker. The Runner Joker isn't relevant as we don't have straight. Okay, sure. So it just says we want to play this one because it gives us a lot of points. I feel like it would have picked something better. That's at least like a reasonable thing, even if it's wrong. That's kind of the point, right? Pair of tens. Okay. We don't have the ability to do that. You're still stupid. Using the Jack of Spades and the 10 of Diamonds. Here's why. This is so freaking stupid, dude. How? I even include a 10 of clubs is not the same as a jack. A T10 is not the same as a jack, even though they are both worth the same amount of points. Ignore the score when calculating whether it is possible to construct a pair. Oh, whoops. A T, right, is not the same. Thank you. A T10 is not the same as a jack. I feel like it would be simpler to code the rules directly. So here's the thing. The funny part is the LLM. So it does kind of defeat the purpose. Given the available jokers is high card. High card with jack, right? 3, 6, 3, 2, 2. Great. Yes. Good job. Good answer. Good answer. Yes. Good answer. Okay, now let's try again. Next round. Two pair. What will be our two pairs? Oh no, dude. Two pair with queens and tens. We only have one. Ah! But I never even tell it, I don't think, that it's worth, like, that they're worth 10 points, really. And, oh, maybe in the rule book? We could be doing it in the rule book, I guess. This goes for all of the face cards. A king can never be used in a pair with a queen. A queen can never be used in a pair with a jack, etc. Build with Claude tool use. That's what we were trying to do here. Tool use examples. Chain of thought tool use. Is this the one? Answer the use relevant tools if they're available. Before calling tool, do some analysis thinking tags. Second, go through each of the required parameters of the relevant tool and determine. Unless it's two pair. I think we'll say king can be never used to complete a pair with a queen. A queen can never be used to complete a pair with a jack, etc. Or I can go see, it's fine. Because, like, do we not have queen, jack, 10, 9, 8? So it's still an idiot. Okay. I literally say compl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's get rid of the rules here. I'm just gonna get rid of the rules. You change the prompt to ask always use a tool after thinking, then switch back to auto tool use instead so we can return normal text response with thinking tag and then the tool afterwards. The bill is going to be huge. No, it's not. I've literally been watching it and it's like barely anything. I've spent $2 today. Not even $1, I think. Like, you guys are way underestimating how much it costs to do this, or way overestimating. Guys, it's not that expensive. Guys, people freaking autocomplete AIs. I'm asking once every 30 seconds. Like, just think about it. Just literally think about it at all, and you'll know for sure that that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, but we're not asking that many times. We're just not prompting that often. This goes for, am I even sending this? Should I take this out of system prompt and just put it somewhere else? I'm kind of thinking, let's get this out of system prompt and I'm going to put it in here. I'm just going to put it in here. This is like instructions. This is a mod in the game. So we will be at some point controlling the game with the mod as well. So we can actually, why don't we just do this right now? String, array, type string, the ID. And name of the cards to play. I don't even... Has this even been doing this? Hey, thank you. No, Wilson, that's very, very fun. I'll check this out for sure later, and we'll probably be back tomorrow and working on this. Names, cards, 36170. Yeah, so it's still an idiot. It still thinks we can do a 2-pair and a pair of face cards. Face cards are not used. They have to be the... You are about to score the most possible. Like pairs, threes of a kind. I just don't look. You can play up to 5 cards. You cannot play the same card multiple times. Cards must be exactly the same kind, as in king and king, to be used in a pair, 3 of a kind, etc. together. Cards with the same rank are not the same card. They must be the same. They must be. By the way, can you put the HTTP request in a paste and send the link in Discord whenever you're done? Sure. I don't know exactly what you're asking for, but yeah, next I can send some stuff to you after. We're probably going to be done soon. 4 of a kind 10s. It's actually unbelievable. I actually cannot believe this. I cannot fathom that this word calculator cannot understand this. Pair of 10s with 2 face cards. Are you kidding me? Oh, but right now, okay, so right now, that's good. That's actually good. We need to explain to it. Only cards in a traditional poker hand are considered played. For example, playing a pair of queens, and a 5, playing a hand of pair with a pair of queens and a 5 of diamonds does not play the 5 of diamonds. It is effectively discarded. Okay, so I think that that's good. I think that that's actually good. I think it's getting closer. Queens and 10s. Forms a 2 pair with queens and 10s. Okay, but now you've forgotten everything again. Like, this is so stupid. 2 pair, queens and 10s. There's not... Does not score the 5 of diamonds. Okay, sure. For example, a 10 and a 10 are the same card. Yes. Maybe we should say are considered a pair. Are not considered a pair. Are not considered a pair. For example, cards that are considered pairs. King, Heart King, and Spades King. Right? Heart Queen and Clubs Queen. We should put this at the top here. For example, cards that are not considered pairs. Heart King, Heart Queen. Heart King, Clubs Queen. Heart King, Heart 10. Let's do Spades 5, Clubs 5. Spades 5, Spades 5. Maybe we'll do 6 for both of these. Okay, we'll try that again. I'm going to be honest. I'm getting a little tilted by the LLM right now. I'm not going to lie. Okay, nice. The best plays a pair of 10s with queen and jack as high cards. Okay, but they don't get played. So, but we need some way to communicate that our only cards that form a traditional poker hand are considered played. For example, hand. Let's go hearts queen, diamonds jack, clubs 10, hearts 10. Results. This is a pair of 10s, CT and HT, and the HQ and DJ are not considered played. Thus, they do not score anything and are useless. Okay. Okay, let's see what it says now. Tens, yes! Yes! Okay. Okay, there we go. We are so back. We should have not listened to everybody pasting a million rules in. LLMs are too stupid. They have to be babied like a little toddler, and then finally they can give you the answer that my 4-year-old would have been able to give an hour ago. Okay. All right. So let's play these cards. We press play. Okay. Now it's confused because it doesn't know the cards. We're just ignoring the straight. We're just literally ignoring the straight. Yes. Let's see what it says now. It's probably going to be very confused. The best way is to play a pair of nines. Wait, does it know that it's nines? Oh, get wrecked. Get absolutely wrecked. Oh, I can tell what the upside down cards are. We just no-scoped them, guys. We just no-scoped them. Oh, that's really funny. That's really funny. Okay, let's put this part aside because I'm too tilted to do more prompt engineering. I'm too tilted to do more prompt engineering. Let's get this to actually select the cards, okay? Let's get it to actually select the cards. So this is where I was doing this Balatro hand preview. How does it actually select? No, not this one. Where is the flush one? Flush hotkeys. How do I do it like select? Select hand. No, I wanted to like actually select a card here. Select hand. Function select hand. Unhighlight all. Got it. Index of g.hand.highlighted. Add hand add to highlighted. Okay. So this is what we need to do. We need to do something like this. So we're going to get back the options and then we can get those highlighted, right? So we can basically say we get back this JSON decoded. Oops. I didn't mean to do this. Wilson W. Yep. Play cards from highlighted. Yep, that's the thing that we need to do. That's the thing we need to do. Yep. Yeah. So here we go. So we're going to get this and we get body content. We get one type tool use input and cards. Okay. So now we go here. We're going to go, we're going to skip this for a sec. We'll go here. We don't need this. We can go decoded. So decoded.content1 is local response is this. Okay, right? And then we get an input and cards. And we go input cards. And we should be able to go print inspect response here. And we should get that same. We should just get like the two numbers here. I think. I didn't reload. I'm stupid. I forgot that we have to do that. I pressed the wrong button again. Sorry, chat. I think my brain is officially scrambled. It's like I'm an LLM at this point. It's like I'm an LLM. Did it go? I cannot tell. Finish. What else am I printing here? Send info message, requesting completion, send info message, finish. Okay, reloaded. Let's try this again. So we should have just, did we not do, okay, there we go. Perfect. 36170, 3631. Awesome. So now we should be able to go here and we should be able to say for card in this end, we should have just their IDs, And so this should be something like, g.hand.cards, and then what was the trick that we saw? Index of g.hand.high. Nope, we want to just go g.hand. Or we can just do highlight true. We want to get this card from here, so we can say I'm looking to try and get this actual item. g.hand.cards. Let's just do eval g.hand.cards, right? And so then we should be able to go table dot, we'll just go find. Table find is function t predicate and for and if pred return v and end. So we go like local card local, this is actually id, local card is g hands cards. Probably there's some other way to find this, but where did we get the actual id itself? ID, right? We said card.id. Okay, card.id. That's pretty good. We can go here and we're gonna go table find function c return c.id is id end. Yep. And then we'll do card highlight true, something like this, I think, right? Is that not highlight true? Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. In this local card a nil value. Okay. Okay, this time of course it returned more. Okay, let's go back to where we were instructing it what to return. String, the ID. Let's just say just the ID of the card to play. I think we scuffed that before, and we were not specific enough. We don't want it actually to be both. We just want it to be the ID. Attempt to index local card a nil value. Okay, what did we do here? Let's go back to here and let's go table find. If not card, then print could not find card in hand end else. Okay, it's weird, very weird. Is it an int? Oh, I think you're probably right. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it probably is an int. Yeah, we'll go back and switch it to the tool as well to force it to an int in a sec, if that's the case. Okay. There you go, chats. We are so back, okay? Don't know why song didn't play. Okay, nice. I don't know what happened to this. But song. There you go. Okay, so there we go. So we have it actually replying with this. Okay, so the next thing we should do is where we go back to what do we say? Cards or something? Yeah, we just changed this to int or number, right? Is that it? Can I say number or integer? I don't know. And it should just keep these both selected because that's what it thinks my best hand is. Right? So that's good. Pretty good hand. Oops. Document the events is super cool and the rest of the Balatro modding community could use it. Oh, interesting, Wilson. Wilson, did you say you had to leave? Don't do this to yourself. All right, just we don't have anything. We just have no good cards here. My class was canceled. I forgot. Nice. Okay, so it says to play these two. Great, I love it. It knows that it's a pair. That's hilarious. Apparently it was just kind of stuck. All right, so we need to instruct it with more things, right? So for example, we need to say, give me the best hand possible to play.
Give me so much at one time. Yes,
make sure to keep in mind that we have %d remaining hands and %d remaining discards, right? You know what I'm saying? So now we need to put in hands remaining and discards remaining, because we need to put both of those in. It's probably like AI is focused right now. Eval G dot hands nil. Let me see what other ones you had here. G dot play. G dot state. Oh no, that's just whether we're in here. States. It has to be G dot hand dot maybe remaining. How many hands I have left? Eval G dot state. Is that what we said? Eval G dot I don't know. Eval G dot game dot hands. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. That's what all of our hands do. Ooh, this is good. That's good info. That's good. We need to keep this one for later though. That is one we keep for later. We need G dot game dot hands scoring values, because we were gonna be leveling up. We're gonna be leveling up hands, so we need to know which ones are good. So that's important. G dot current round dot hands. G dot game dot current round. Nice. There we go. Current round. Yep. Got it. Hands left. Okay, and then there must be discards left as well, or something like this. Discards left. Okay. Nice. So we can go here and we'll say, yep, I forgot a current round table. Nice. So we can say that's going to be here. We'll do this right before we get to this. Okay, that's all inside of this. Local hands remaining is g.game.current round dot hands remaining. And then this is discards remaining. And this is discards remaining. Or isn't it discards left? Isn't that what I saw? Which one was it? Discards remaining or discards left? It's discards left, and it's probably hands left. I think I just did that wrong last time. Yeah. Okay. Current round. Hands left. Okay, cool. So we can say this. You say you want to score the most possible with the in a round, right? A round consists of multiple hands and discards as the possible moves that you can make, right? Sometimes it is advantageous to save. Oh, we need to tell what cards we have left in the deck. We need to say what cards we have left in the deck, right? That's the other thing we need to do that I was thinking for sure we need to say. And we say, you have the following cards remaining in deck.
Made it properly tail recursive, like
which
okay,
can be drawn in future turns. Yeah. Yep. Probably. I'm gonna guess. Wait, what did I do here? Do I have some other? Oh, it's just that we didn't do deck. We need to put another %s here. Why is it not? Oops. Yeah, we crashed it. What did we do wrong here? Hands remaining, discards remaining. Did I leave something open? Oh, whoops. That's why. Hands remaining. This is Joker description. This should be deck description. That's why. And then this needs to go here to go here. Yep. Deck description. Current round. You're totally right. I did. Current round and current round. We'll figure out how to get the deck in one moment as well, because surely it will be here. Deck. Anything about it in here? No. Okay. We can go to play here. G dot deck. There we go. 1. Whoops. Oh, what is our top thing? Cards. G dot deck dot cards. 1 dot config dot card key. There you go. Okay. Config dot card key. Great. Same shenanigans as last time. So now we just do where do we have card key? So we want to go something like local format card function card end card key. We'll do this. Go here. Return this. We'll say local key is this. Return key. Okay. Formatted. Okay. Go back to this and we'll go format card, but then we can just yoink this to here. Oops. All right. So then we need to do local deck description is this. For card in I pairs G deck cards and deck description is deck description here. We don't actually need the IDs though. We can just do this and go here. Right, so it's like hand, deck, and then deck description. Okay. So let's try and refresh this. We'll send this. Let's see what it says. We also need to give it the option to discard. We haven't told it how to discard yet. Okay, did I not press Control Y? Format 6. Expected number got nil. Okay, right. Yeah, that makes sense. 147. Oh yeah, what did we do here? Hand description, deck description, joker description. I'll just change these to %s. Hands remaining. G.game.current round at hands left. Eval G dot game dot current round. Oh, this would be discards left. Got it. Reload it. Run it again. Nice. So it says play a pair. That's good. That's good, chat. That's good. That's our best option right now. But we should probably just tell it we want to discard here because it's kind of a sucky hand and we have better hands possible, right? But that's good. This is like, that's pretty far. We're pretty far now, right? So the next thing would be we need to give it a tool that says play tool. We want to do something like discard tool. Choose the cards to discard based on the rules of Balatro. Do not include only think about possible hands in the future and the cards remaining in the deck to see if it is likely we can get a better hand later. Discard tool object. Reasoning behind the hand, the cards to discard. Name of the hand. We actually don't need this. Ray number, the ID of the card to discard. Okay. So then now, when we get this back, we probably want to display the entire response, right? So we want to probably do print, inspect, decoded. And then if true, then return end, right? So we'll just sort of quit ourselves out here. Do not pick. Oh, right. Yeah, you're probably right. Do not include any unnecessary cards. Actually, probably just do about this. We'll just say, okay. We'll try that. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says, chat. Table content. Oh, okay. That's not useful. Response. Well, wait, does it say, it doesn't say which tool to use though in that. Okay, right. Yeah. So we'll do inspect depth. Okay. Let's try this. Just today. Yeah. Yeah. We just started this morning. Content. What? Why did it not do? Oh, I did the wrong one. I'm stupid. There we go. I did the wrong one. Tool use, pair of sixes. Given the current hand, the best is play if here's the reasoning. We play C6 and D6 and natural pair to limit better options. Well, 2 turns now, we leave for potentially stronger hands in the future. There are still many high cards and pairs possible in the deck, conserving high cards. Okay, sure. Okay, yeah, so let's let it play that hand. I don't know why it won't let me do this. Okay, whoops. It didn't. Oh, it didn't. It just had them highlighted, but not actually played. Okay. I feel like I scuffed something there. I don't know what. So we'll need to use a different API besides, I think, just hand highlight. This one did G add to highlighted, so maybe we'll switch to that. So let's try this card, and we'll do that instead. Maybe that was the problem. It's going great, Dark. What about you? High card ace. Okay. So it says to select high card ace, which can score well as a high card, even as a high card hand. It's actually stupid. It's just actually stupid though. Why would it play ace king? I'm using Sonnet. Do we need to do developers? Okay, where's my cloud models? Here, let's go back again. Let's just try Opus. Let's just give Opus a try. Let's just see if giving Opus a try will give us anything at all. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Something's weird with it today. Model field required. What? I said mode. Nice. Okay. Do you provide the score each hand provides? I don't right now. One pair with the cards in hand. The best thing to play is C8 and C4. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Top level performance, intelligence, fluency, and understanding. Oh, is it discard? No, it says tool use, input here, name, play tool. I have a separate one for play. A pair of C's. I even described rank represented by two through nine. It's just actually stupid, and this in this case it says make a pair of these two. Okay, so we'll do it. All right, now we'll try again. Pair of nines. Okay, sure. Those two are fine. Yeah. But it's like it's not doing anything besides the dumbest first option. Like, there are some decent cards in the deck, especially with better hands, such as pairs. Pairs? No. I short circuited it because I was hoping it was going to also say, here, that it could do discard because I added a new tool and so it's only picking play. So I just have it quitting early. Saving discards for last hand. Trust the robot. Yeah. In general, you want to play the least amount of hands possible because saving hands at the end of the round gives us additional money to purchase better cards and jokers. Use discards more at the beginning of the round to get excellent hands. Don't settle for average hands. Be a Giga Chad. Okay. A pair of royal court cards. It's at a pair of royal court cards. A pair of royal court cards. You should think that generally speaking, poker hands are better poker hands are, I'll just say, there's just a pair of balls. Exactly. Remove should actually function right. Card.area add to highlighted. Okay, I'll check that. I'll check that in a second as well. Oops. Standard poker rules apply for generating or for calculating the strength of a hand. However, some rules have been added to the game. Those are explained below. Okay, let's see. Discard tool, nice. C8 and S5. Okay, sure. Okay, nice. Thinking. Playing the 3 9s gives us a strong 3 of a kind hand. This card as well and leaves us with some decent cards like CK and DQ. Okay, sure. All right. 3. Okay. Not a full house moment. I know. We need to tell it, dude, really try and get a good hand. Really try and get a good hand. Don't be stupid. Playing the pair of kings is the strongest hand. I can make it with the current cards, even though there are no other cards I use to prove. Look, it's like, dude, look at your deck. You've got 2 kings remaining. You've literally got 2 kings remaining. At this point, I'm thinking of just switching back to Haiku and just trusting Haiku to be better. Because it's just like, it's actually insane. Oh, I didn't refresh. Shoot. I gotta refresh. Okay. I also can't stand how long this takes to get back an answer that's stupid. We do need to tell it. Royal flush. Ten, king, queen, jack, 5. Interesting. That's a royal flush, chat. Okay, so this one's actually too stupid even more.
Properly tail recursive, like,
Yes.
Ocampo is actually my favorite.
4096. Okay, we can change this to 4096. 4096, which is the max for Haiku. Stage pair of kings with relatively strong hand. The queen and jack can particularly form 3 of kind or straight if drawn later, but the 10 of hearts is not particularly useful. Okay, sure. Let's just let it play for a little bit and see what happens, okay? Let's see what it says. Okay, so it's just actually stupid. This hand contains a pair of kings. It does not, though. It just does not. Like, it just does not. They scuffed it and didn't do the right ones. Oh, we'll play it. Oh, no, we lost. Let's see. Input cards. Why did it not work? Table expected got string. In response, input dot cards. What? Input name straight. This should be. Oh my goodness. Did it just not do the tool output that I said that it needed to do? Oh my goodness, dude. Okay. Wait, now it thinks we have a full house. Oh my goodness. Okay. It thinks it's a full house, even though I've literally instructed it. I've literally instructed it. These are not the same. Okay, I think I'm done. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.